In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly sync ClickUp tasks to Google Calendar events with two-way updates. This seamless integration will help you stay on top of your tasks and appointments across both platforms with ease, offering you a truly synchronized workflow. So let's get started and see how you can achieve this with just a few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the ClickUp website. You might already be familiar with ClickUp as an all-inclusive app designed to streamline your work processes. Once you are on the homepage, go ahead and click on the Login button. This will allow you to access your ClickUp workspace where all your tasks and settings are stored. After clicking Login, you will need to sign in using your Google account. This is a crucial step as it sets up the authorization needed for the synchronization process. So simply click on the option to sign in with Google and then select the Google account you wish to use for this integration from the available list. Make sure it's the account you use for your Google Calendar. Once you're securely logged into your ClickUp account, locate the profile name, which you should see on the left side of the screen. Clicking on your profile name will reveal more options. Now hover your cursor over the Apps section. You'll then want to click on the App Center. This is where ClickUp houses its library of available integrations and third-party app connections, including the one we're interested in today, Google Calendar. Within the App Center, you'll see an array of applications that can enhance your ClickUp experience. Here, you need to search for and select Google Calendar. It's straightforward to find given its popularity and utility. Clicking on Google Calendar will bring you a step closer to syncing your tasks and events. Now that you're on the Google Calendar integration page, you'll see an option to connect. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of linking your ClickUp account with your Google Calendar. This is where the magic happens. Tasks from ClickUp will now be able to flow into your Google Calendar and vice versa, providing real-time updates. And just like that, you've successfully set up a two-way sync between ClickUp and Google Calendar. This integration is designed to save you time and enhance productivity by ensuring that all your tasks and events are aligned, no matter which platform you're on. If you run into any issues or need further customization, ClickUp and Google Support are excellent resources to help you troubleshoot and optimize. Thank you for tuning in today. With this syncing trick, keep your digital life organized and efficient, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and happy organizing.